Greetings. How to buy DAI. Welcome. I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy DAI coin. How to deposit money on Binance. How to buy DAI. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. Now, this is our website cryptocurrencyusa.net. On this website, you can get all information about cryptocurrencies, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So easy. Now, we should go DAI page and click. On this page, we can get all information about DAI coin. So easy. Codes, videos. Now, how to buy DAI. Just one click. Let's go.